In this video, I'll show you how you can use ChatGPT to find domain names in your niche or in your industry. So let's say you're opening a new company and you want a brandable domain name. Well, ChatGPT can help you with that. I'll also show you, once you've got these domain names, how you can see real quick if they're available or not. So what you first need to do is go to ChatGPT, and once you're here, you want to then make a new prompt, which says something like this. So I've put, give me 50.com domain names or domains for a new gardening company. So let's say I'm opening up a gardening company. So if I go ahead and click on enter here, it's going to give me 50.com domain names. So here we've got 50 domain names, and it says that check their availability with a domain registration company. So what we can do once we've got this list of domain names, we can go ahead and copy all of these. So scroll down, highlight them all, and then copy them. And you can go to something like namecheap.com. And here on Namecheap, if you click on beast mode, it will actually allow you to go ahead and paste in all of these domains. Now you can paste up to 5,000 here. So go ahead and paste in those domains, click on generate, and then it's going to take a while, but it will then tell you which of these domains are available and which aren't. Now some of these you can see some people own them and they have them for sale for ridiculous prices, which obviously if you're just starting out, that's not going to be any good to you. You've got this one available. I don't know what this one is. digandelight.com. That's a pretty decent domain name. I quite like that. Then you've got all of these other premium ones. blossombound.com is pretty good. petalpathways.com. I like that one as well. ecogardencompany.com. Also a good domain name. I'm actually surprised that that is available. And growwisegardeners.com. Also another great domain name. So you can go back to ChatGPT, and if you're not happy with that list, you can say 50 more, but make them only 2 words. You can tweak these domain names to literally however you'd like. I hope this is useful for you, and I hope this does help you out.